Hey guys, Aniket here. This episode covers everything advanced, but in simple language. Welcome back to the final class of Databox Masterclass. Let's jump into the legal and advanced stuff. This is the most important rule you must understand. When an office sends a message, Databox waits for 10 days. If you don't open it, after 10 days it becomes delivered, even if you never saw it. For example, immigration sends you a request. If you ignore that, your application gets rejected. Similarly, tax office sends you payment deadline. If you ignore, you will get a penalty. This is why the notifications are crucial. A Databox message is legally equal to a registered letter. No need for any handwritten signatures. Databox replaces physical signatures, stamps, office visits, and postal registered letters. Every message is automatically digital signed by authority. For individuals, you don't need e-signature, and sending from your own Databox is your signature. In security settings, you can find options like two-factor login, password rules, IP restrictions, and login history. Make sure you always enable two-factor authentication. Databox stores message only temporarily. Usually, the standard storage is of 90 days. After 90 days, messages get disappeared. So that's why you must download what you want to keep. There are three ways to download a message. Either you can download PDF, you can export zip file, or print the PDF. I would recommend creating an email folder or cloud archive for the data box. Databox has some limits and restrictions. For example, sending limits are the maximum file size is 20 MB and some offices don't even accept zip files, and the maximum message size should be around 50 MB in total. And regarding receiving, it's free for individuals, but offices may charge for certain services, but not for Databox itself. Some common mistakes that people do are not enabling notifications. This is how you miss immigration messages. Forgetting 10-day rule, which can cause legal troubles. Sending wrong format. Office will reject your document. And not saving important messages. You might lose important decisions. Here are some of the pro tips. Use the Datavka mobile app daily. Keep documents in the simple names like password.pdf. For visa renewal, send documents early. Use Databox for residency address changes. Communicate with tax office via Databox for faster response. Congratulations, now we finally understand full Databox. From basics to advanced legal rules. That's it for now. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Apart from this, if you guys need any help regarding visa, feel free to message me on my Instagram channel. I would be happy to help you all. Thank you.